Yeah, so let's get started. Yeah, so guys, as you can see here, what you're gonna need is uh, this Arduino here. You're gonna need the Arduino and a LED, nothing much. Yeah, just it's a basic, very basic stuff to do. Only Arduino Uno or any Arduino of your like, and a LED 3.3 volt I prefer, and also the cable for programming. You know that it is important, so I can help you. And before getting into the programming part, let's get into the wiring part. That's the most cool. And for the wiring is pretty simple because LED got two pins, so nothing much. Make sure to connect both of the pin, positive as well as negative outlet, to any two digital pin on the Arduino, except these two, 0 and 1, except 0 and 1 because they are THANKX and I don't want to mess them up. So here we go, it's connected. All right, so yeah, that's the wiring. That's cool, isn't it? Now let's connect the cable and let's connect it with the laptop. All right, got it, it's going online. All right, let's reset to make sure everything works okay. All right, so back in the programming part. I'm really sweating today, that's bad. All right, so in the programming part, you can see there's a code. There's really this part of the code. I'll make sure to explain you everything. So I'll write the code again. I was really pasting before the video started. So yeah, this is a really cool thing I found. So yeah, the code, this is the Arduino IDE, as you all know, I hope. Let's define some pin. Pin defining is a cool thing, like LED positive is equal to, I have connected the LED positive to 7. I have connected the LED positive to 7. Digital pin 7, not analog ones. And LED negative is equal to, I have connected that to 5. So yeah, that's not a big deal. The code is also cool. And let's define the pin mode. Pin mode of both the pin will be output. Yeah, we are not doing any input stuff. We are not gonna take in any information via the digital pins. So yeah, to keep things simple, it's just gonna be output. Yeah, we got it. Now done. All right, let's give a space for decoration purposes. And now write digital white, because they are digital pins, of course they can do digital right. That's a silly question, man. LED positive, the positive part will be high, and the negative pin, to the digital pin to which the negative negative lead is connected here. Negative lead of the LED is connected. I'm pretty nervous and it is hot, really, man. Will be low. Make sure to do that so that I hope there is any diagram on this side of the screen or somewhere, I don't know, but yeah, because the current has to flow through the LED's positive and back to the negative, and the low digital pin will act as that negative terminal of a battery or something, you know. Let's make sure there is COM port connected. Yeah, alright, so let's upload it directly. Compiling, everything is green, everything is cool. It is taking time, I don't know why. And also guys, you notice that I didn't use any loop part. You can, if you want, you can cut this part and paste this here and still everything will work fine. I didn't do that because that's lame. Yeah. And also, yeah, one thing I have to say that I really hope the LED turns on. Man, why it is taking so much to compile? Alright, anyway, while it is compiling, oh, it is done compiling. Alright, so yeah, the LED is so bright, man. It's so bright. Jesus Christ, it's quite bright. All right, so let's adjust the brightness some bit. Holy jeez. Yeah, so as you can see here, it is only there is no cheating or anything. Both the pins are connected to two digital pin 5 and 7. You can connect to any one except the 0 and 1, as I told earlier. Yeah, so this is how you can connect the LEDs or any other module, like these modules like LCDs, motion sensors, LCDs, NRFs and stuff like that. Their ground also can be connected in this way to any digital pin and use them as a ground. So it is mainly used for when you are left on ground, for example, maybe using a large amount of modules and you don't have any more ground left to connect new modules. You can use any digital pin if there is a spare. Most of the time it won't, but yeah, you know. So guys, again, thanks for watching and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, and also share this video to a lot of people, because this is a really cool feature I found out while doing a project. So yeah, again, thanks for watching and Omega out.